Hi guys, in the previous video we created three jobs, one by one job. The job is done, it is successfully completed. Now if you want to see the view in this way, you need to install a plugin. We'll see in this section. Okay, so go for the Maven, click on the Jenkins. There is a manage Jenkins. You need to install a plugin. Click on manage plugins, go for that available. Okay, here you can search the plugin delivery pipeline. Okay, just type delivery pipeline. Sorry, you can say delivery. If you see here, VERY. Now if you see here delivery pipeline, there is a plugin. This plugin visualize delivery pipeline jobs with upstream and downstream dependencies. Click on install without restart. Okay, it will check your internet connectivity, then this plugin will be installed. So in the real-time projects, definitely they will configure this type of plugins to see your the build is success or not. This is also we can do. Now this is configured, right? Now click on the Jenkins. Here there is a icon, plus icon. Okay, click on the plus icon. Okay, here once you configure, you can see there is a delivery pipeline view. Okay, and click on delivery pipeline view. Here you can provide whatever the view name you are providing. Maybe you can say delivery underscore UAT underscore jobs. I'm giving this is the name delivery. Configure this one, click the OK. Okay, here you can give all the default options. You no need to change anything. Come down, then later we can change 111 like that. Okay, and if you go down here, there is a component section. Click on the add component. Here you need to provide some name. I can say I will give as a Maven underscore lifecycle underscore goals. Just I'm giving Maven lifecycle goals I'm giving. Okay, here there is a initial job. My initial job should be a clean, then it will take the graph for remaining. You no need to do anything. Okay, just click on the OK. See, two times it is triggered, 9 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago. See, with the seconds it is displaying. Let me zoom it. So you don't need to do anything. Delivery underscore UAT jobs. See, these two jobs are not run previously, only one job is done. Okay, now you are able to see here. Now if you want to configure multiple options here, now you can do lot of things with this plugin. Okay, click on the edit view, and here description if you want, just you can give as a Maven lifecycle goals I'm giving. And here number of pipeline instructions per pipeline, let me give, I want to give as a 5. Okay, there is a number of columns. How many number of columns? I will give as a 3. Okay, sorting based on the title, based on last activity, based on the failed pipeline, whatever you want you can give. I will sorting by last activity. Okay, maximum number of pipelines, how many number of pipelines you need. Okay, and update interval. Here if you see enable start of the new build pipeline, if you enable this option, what will happen, just observe here. Okay, this is my description I given, right? Maven lifecycle goals are able to see here. There is an icon run job. If you run job, see my job will be run now with the different colors, green, now it is blue. This job is done. You can configure enable in this way also, and click on the edit view, will enable one more. Okay, and there is a enable manual trigger. Click here and click OK. Now what will happen? Nothing much is happen. Okay, jobs is trigger started by few seconds ago. Let me click on the edit view. If you see here, manual trigger plus rebuild. Click on the OK and click the OK. Now you can see the options now. See here, one job is dependent on second job is dependent on the third. Suppose for the second job you changed something, you want to manually run from the second job. There is an icon, if you see here there is a circle, click here. If you click here, the job will be triggered again. Just give here, see, few seconds ago the immediately once this job is done dependent on this job, right? So see, now if you want to run only this job, then you can click this job. I hope you guys are clear about these settings. Just you can do some R&D on these things based on what exactly is happening, everything. You can give a show test results, job description, show absolute date and time, show commit message. So lot of things we have here. Okay, just click on the save, click on see, time, date and time. See at what time you are running your job also, exactly it is giving. Okay, I hope you guys are clear about delivery pipeline. We'll see one more build pipeline. We have another concept. The pipeline is very good way to view the content. Okay, I will explain in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.